What's up friends and welcome to this video. Today friends I will show you how to get refund on Eneba. So friends, as you can see here, go to my library. As you can see on the screen, click on my library, then click redeem key. After that guys, you see this image, click request refund and then submit your refund request and write your codes to refund your case. After that, this is how you can do. Or you scroll down, click create a ticket. From creating a ticket, you see click on digital key, for example, or click on payment. So after that guys, write your, for example, any payment issues, I'll get refund. And then you scroll down, you find your ticket guys. Just submitting your request refund and fill your refund request to get your refund, and write your all information, your emails and your details to product details case. This is how you can do guys. Just fill all the informations and your refund be issued almost instantly guys. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.